Welcome back to another episode of Lavaland Podcast. We've been talking about hair loss, anti-aging treatment, but especially for the ladies that already done treatments for themselves, especially on the face, like Botox or maybe filler. I know like some women also like to have this kind of treatment, especially in Jakarta as well. And we would like to know if is there any effect if someone already did Botox or filler and they did LV treatments, is there any kind
You
of
mean the
effect?
IELLIOS treatment for the
Alias
face?
treatment.
Yes,
Alias treatment.
LV is not going to make a difference.
LV is not going to make any difference. The
Well, it
Alias.
will because it's going to decrease the inflammation. So
Oh, decrease the
Yeah.
inflammation.
it's
Yeah,
gonna get
yeah.
better.
Okay, for Botox, we're talking about Botox first. Botox, they inject these toxins. It's called Clostridium botulinum. So what it's doing is it's actually gonna make your muscle stop contracting. So it's
Basically
gonna
kills the nerve.
it's gonna like make
you cannot make
yeah.
wrinkles anymore.
So when you move your muscle, your face muscle gonna move. But
Yeah.
once they inject the toxins, it stop moving. That is why no matter how you make this face, you smile, you like it won't move. So there will be no wrinkles.
Yeah.
That's how it works. Yeah. So for Botox, if we do the IELLIOS, actually, in Botox sometimes when we inject the toxin, there's this side effect of the toxin is moving
Yeah.
because it's from something alive. Yeah, it's alive. So it can be like reaching the wrong spot. Yeah, so it's gonna like sometimes there's this thing called droop.
Yeah, the
droopy eye.
droopiness,
So
yeah.
this part we don't want to touch it actually. We want to touch this part, but this part we touch with the toxin. Obviously, we cannot move that. So
Yeah.
it's gonna be done because we cannot make expression out of it. So it's usually there's no, when that's happened, what you can do is only wait for the toxins to be gone. It usually
For the
takes-
effects to be gone.
Yes, it usually takes like 6 months.
6
Yeah,
months.
to come back to your
So you
original-
really
look
lose
terrible
expression.
for
Yeah.
6 months.
So you're gonna have
That's
droopy eyes.
That's
for-
terrifying.
That's terrible for your
Yeah,
confidence.
so you're gonna have droopy eyes for 6 months. Yeah.
But we can fix this with the IELLIOS.
Oh, we can play how it's
We
going
can
to
fix
work.
it with the
Yeah.
IELLIOS.
Oh.
Actually, I did something in Malaysia. One of the doctors did Botox over here, and he got this incredible
Yeah.
difference on both eyes, and it was fixed.
Mm-hmm.
I have the pictures.
Oh.
Yeah, it was fixed.
It was fixed.
We did three
How many
treatments.
treatments?
It was 3 treatments.
3 treatments.
Yeah.
Only 3 treatments can fix that.
Not everybody's okay. Now, it
Depends
It
on the individual,
level, yeah. So we don't want to overpromise,
Yeah.
but it can be fixed.
It can be fixed. Yeah. Depends on our own bodies
Yeah.
and how it works inside.
And what was the level of the droopiness?
It's actually almost the same with the Bell's palsy. We can treat Bell's palsy right now.
Yeah, the
Botox
Bell's
is
palsy.
like on the lower level because the condition is more on temporary because you are supposed to like redo the Botox. Because
Yeah.
it's gonna be gone the effect. Yeah. So
Yeah, that's it. You're not gonna need Botox with this
Yeah,
technology
yeah.
alone.
Because
You don't
Botox
need
only lasts for a
Botox
few
anymore.
months and this can last for a
only 3
lifetime.
months. Yeah.
But everybody who has our technology, this is what they say. I don't need Botox anymore.
Yeah.
And the problem with Botox is that it is a poison. And the poison doesn't just stay there, it goes everywhere in the body.
Yeah.
Everything that you inject.
This is
goes
actually
everywhere
quite
in the body.
scary. And we need to
We
let
can,
people
but
know about this.
People just don't want to have wrinkles. But we can do that without the Botox.
Yeah.
So it's, you want to have Botox, fine, More power to you. We can make you look even better.
Yeah. That's why it's even affecting with the health inside more
That's right.
amazingly.
So you can always get the benefit of any treatment, but we can give you the benefit of not having any side effect long-termly by adding this machine. So it's gonna be a really good combination.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get
Fillers.
Oh yeah.
With
for
Yeah, also
fillers.
with the fillers.
Yes. For fillers,
And
actually.
if people know, fillers is actually quite popular in Indonesia,
yes,
especially for the
everywhere.
jaw. You have seen some people, with the weird video.
Yeah, that's a very
Yeah.
popular. Fillers, actually, we inject the hyaluronic acid inside our face. We supposed to have that already.
Yeah.
But by the time goes by, that was all of our collagen, our hyaluronic acid
Aging,
is-
this aging
yes,
process.
it's destroyed. You know what? Mainly by sugar. So
Sugar.
the latest research is sugar
Addiction.
sugar is
And other addictions.
Yes.
sugar they
Another craving we need to stop.
destroy the collagen and destroy the hyaluronic acid.
Yeah.
That is why people need to inject that.
Mm.
Actually, if they didn't get so much sugar, they don't need it. But yeah, by the way, if you already had that injected in your face, that's fine.
Yeah,
We
but
can even-
it's going to
Yeah.
enhance it.
We can
Yeah.
even
It's going to lift it. The problem with injections and fillers is that they get heavy with age. So if you're going to droop this way, you're going to droop even more.
yeah.
But if you enhance it with the IELLIOS,
Yeah.
you're not going to have that effect.
Yeah.
Yes.
You
It's
see?
lifted.
It's
Because it's already lifted. It's the same thing with lasers and RF. Okay, lasers and RF will basically create eventually inflammation, and the granzyme B is going to be, which is basically that's what inflammation is. So we're going to correct all that. They can go anywhere in the mall or anywhere around in Indonesia, and they can do lasers, RF, fillers, Botox. Of course, they can do them here too. But the point is, it's only here that we can repair the skin.
Yeah, it's only
enhance
Lavalan
it,
we can
okay?
repair.
And any problem with side effect we can fix. But not just fixing the side effects, we can enhance the treatment.
Yeah. Enhance
You
the
can
treatment.
make it not only temporary, but you can make it
That's
lasting.
right. You can make it
Longer.
permanent.
Yeah.
You can start looking younger every year. Like I
Yes.
told you,
Yeah.
when I was 40,
Yeah.
I looked older than I look today,
Yeah.
but I'm 70.
Yeah.
You know.
Reverse.
Reverse.
Reverse the aging. Yes.
Well,
Aging.
you delay aging.
Magnificent.
Actually, yeah, you do reverse in a certain sense. Yeah.
Even inside, our organs even
Yeah.
more healthier too.
That's
That's like
right.
super amazing because our organs sometimes when we go older, we just look for our appearance. We
Yeah.
forget what happened inside.
Correct.
But like it
We
works in
can
that
show
way.
them metabolic age, how the
yeah.
metabolic
Yeah,
age.
yeah, yeah.
Some
Yeah.
people are 40 and the metabolic age is 60. I am 69, going on 70. My metabolic age is 32.
32.
Sometimes 29, you know, depending on the level of my
Most
function.
clients is 3 years older, 5 years older. I never encountered someone that has
Younger.
younger metabolic age.
Because of the pollution.
Yeah, because of the pollution, the poor air quality.
But
That's
we
more
can
challenge.
reduce- right, we can reduce metabolic age.
Yeah, we can reduce that. Of
That's-
course, we can do it only at level.
That
You
is
can
huge.
try your best inside and out.
Yeah.
It's fascinating that even skin also can be helped with this device, but especially since black spot is also difficult to get rid of.
Yes,
That's pretty
Over
big.
time, black spot can make the face look dull as well. So, is that correct, Dr. Karisma?
Yeah. That's correct. Anything post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Actually, it's all of it is hyperpigmentation.
That's right. Black spots, melasma.
Yeah.
That is exactly what this
Hyperpigmentation.
technology has
Yeah.
always done. And I have pictures like 5 years ago with a lot of pigmentation, and today
now it's gone?
no pigmentation,
Wow.
and you're much more youthful.
Yeah.
Whereas with any other technology they go and they do outside here, like lasers or RF,
Yeah.
it will. What lasers and RF do, they shock the pigment so it shrinks. Okay. Oh, good. Now I have no pigmentation. Just wait. A few months later, it comes back.
It can make more.
Everybody knows that.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Okay. Here, the effect is permanent. Not only is permanent, your skin looks better, fresher, younger. Your hair grows.
Yeah.
Okay.
Complete.
And you can do other treatments if that's what people are addicted. That's fine. But anything you do, we can
Complement it with
repair.
this,
We can
yeah.
complement.
Yeah.
We can repair the skin. We can enhance it. And if there's a side effect, we can get the side effect.
Yeah, repair actually it's not easy sometimes to make it even
there's no
back to normal or even better.
nothing repairs. That's
Yeah.
the only device that does repair.
Yeah.
That's it.
Only one device
You
can
don't
do
really have a
this.
choice.
Yes. That's our only choice. Actually, people are like into instant result.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
sometimes
that's
it's
okay.
gone faster too with the
Yeah,
instant
okay.
result.
That's okay, but you can like come. Why not? You
What are you going to do
compliment
5 years
it.
later?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like the instant results.
Yeah.
What happens 5 years
Yeah.
later?
Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's covering problem from head to toe. It's very complete, and it turns out also that LV is a multi-purpose device from head to toe, a magical and also brilliant creation from the London University that is making positive impact on the world of health and also beauty in Indonesia. That concludes our talk show today, and also for all of the episode that we did. And also, thank you so much to Dr. Karisma and also to Dr.
Yeah, thank
Sanya.
you.
Thank you so much. We will be
Thank
back
you.
with you guys with another
Thank you
episode.
for hosting us.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you so much to all these beautiful ladies beside me, and also thanks to Lava. We'll be back with you with another podcast with Lava Land Podcast. Bye.